Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cars Wars. Today we're diving into the all-new 2025 Subaru Outback, a vehicle that has raised the bar for luxury SUVs. Subaru has always been known for producing vehicles that combine rugged durability with comfort, but with the 2025 Outback, they've gone even further, offering a sophisticated blend of high-end features and off-road capabilities that set a new standard in the segment. The 2025 Subaru Outback comes with a refined exterior that builds on the previous model's success, but brings a more modern and sleek look. The front grille has been redesigned, now featuring sharper lines that give the vehicle a more aggressive yet elegant appearance. The headlights are more angular, with LED technology that not only improves visibility, but also adds a touch of class. The body has been streamlined to improve aerodynamics, and the signature cladding on the lower part of the vehicle remains, ensuring that the Outback is still ready for off-road adventures without sacrificing its refined, luxury SUV feel. It's a perfect blend of practicality and style, making it appealing to both outdoor enthusiasts and those looking for a premium experience. Inside, the 2025 Outback continues to impress with a cabin that exudes luxury and comfort. Subaru has upped the ante with high-quality materials, including leather upholstery, soft-touch surfaces, and finely crafted details. The seating arrangement is spacious, providing ample legroom for both front and rear passengers. The seats themselves are ergonomically designed, offering comfort for long drives while also providing excellent support during off-road excursions. The rear seats fold flat to expand cargo space, making the Outback even more versatile when it comes to hauling gear for outdoor adventures. Whether you're embarking on a weekend getaway or a longer road trip, this SUV ensures you do so in comfort and style. The technology in the 2025 Subaru Outback is equally impressive. Subaru's EyeSight driver assist system has been updated with even more advanced features, providing enhanced safety and security on the road. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and pre-collision braking, all working together to keep you and your passengers safe. Additionally, the Outback comes with a larger touchscreen infotainment system that now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing for seamless integration with your devices. The system also features navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and a premium sound system that makes every drive an enjoyable experience. Subaru has ensured that the Outback is not just a vehicle for getting from point A to point B, but a mobile command center for those who value technology. Under the hood, the 2025 Subaru Outback offers a range of powerful and efficient engine options, ensuring there's something for every type of driver. The standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine delivers ample power for everyday driving, while the available 2.4-liter turbocharged engine provides a noticeable performance boost. This turbocharged engine is perfect for those who want a little more oomph, whether for highway passing or tackling steep terrain. Subaru has also ensured that the Outback remains efficient, with impressive fuel economy figures that make it an ideal choice for those who want an SUV that's capable without breaking the bank at the pump. When it comes to off-road capability, the 2025 Outback remains true to its roots. Subaru's Symmetrical All-Wheel Drive comes standard, along with an updated X-Mode system that makes off-roading a breeze. Whether you're crossing snow-covered trails, muddy paths, or rocky terrain, the Outback's advanced traction systems keep you in control. The 8.7 inches of ground clearance also ensures you can tackle obstacles with ease. Subaru's commitment to outdoor adventure is evident in the Outback's design, making it a vehicle that not only delivers on-road comfort, but also excels in the great outdoors. All in all, the 2025 Subaru Outback raises the bar for luxury SUVs, offering a perfect blend of style, technology, performance, and off-road prowess. Whether you're looking for a daily driver, a road trip companion, or an off-road adventurer, the Outback delivers on every front. It offers everything you need to enjoy the journey, no matter where the road takes you. With its sophisticated design, cutting-edge technology, and legendary Subaru performance, the 2025 Outback sets a new standard for what a luxury SUV can be. It's a vehicle that proves you don't have to choose between adventure and comfort, making it a perfect choice for those who want it all.